Just got home on that. Ooh, yeah. So I took it out tonight. I've been having this itch to take it drag racing. The bike should perform pretty good. I kind of expect it to be in the 12s, maybe the high 12s, maybe not anything too crazy. It is about 100 foot-pounds of torque. It is performance tuned, intake exhaust, so it has a little bit of modification. I'm not racing a stock 1200 Sportster. You know, obviously a little bit less aero than it came with stock, but I don't know, I've just been having this itch. I thought it would be really cool. When I was at the track last time, I paid a lot of attention to kind of what they were doing and, you know, how the guys' body language and staging and all kinds of different things. I mean, I don't think I'm going to do a burnout. I don't plan to do a burnout, but I am going to trailer the bike to the track, so I do need to get that sorted, a ramp situation figured out. Doing 180 kilometers an hour with your butt being held on by that. Hell yeah. When I was at the track last time, I asked about all the safety stuff and everything, and I have all the gear. I have everything I need. My bike's not that fast. I don't need crazy racing suits. You just need long pants. You need a jacket, a helmet, gloves, and boots. I mean, I bought Alpine Star race boots. I have Alpine Star race gloves. I have all kinds of Alpine Star stuff that I bought for the street bike and never used. Oh boy, she makes me so happy. Yeah, 100 foot-pounds of torque. Bike weighs about 420 pounds. So the power to weight ratio is pretty good. 5-speed transmission, manual, no ABS, no traction control, no nannies, no assistance. I think it would be pretty cool. I think it'd be a lot of fun. I don't know. And I mean, obviously, if you get a little sketched out on the top end, you just let off. See where the bike's going. I did a few test hits. I kind of want to see what the G meter looks like, and I don't know. I have no idea where this bike would even land. So stay tuned. Follow along if that's maybe your thing. Could be fun. Until next time. Ride safe, take care, and behave as always.